So what's going on, guys? It's me, Krub here. Welcome back to another video with you guys. And today we're back at FNAF Blender tutorials. I'm gonna do this to 720p because it's so laggy. So in the last episode, now we're gonna do the body and then the arms. So what we need to do is move these guys a little bit and select all the objects right here, and then the eyes as well. We're just gonna move it up. And we forgot the ears. There you go. Because we're gonna make the body. So yeah, we're gonna do a little cube and move here. Now, I tell all the controls that you need to do by pressing Shift A for shortcut or this. Okay. Now I will want this subdivided. There you go. Make it 2, and we're gonna shape it. Do so. Resize it like that, and Control R to make a loop cut. There you go, and loop cut right here, and he has a freaking body shape. We're just gonna adjust it down. There you go. Now it's gonna be like a little fat boy. There you go. Or shape like this. Okay, that's good too. Now I will want to smooth it out. I never used any tool, so I want to go for smooth one. Nah, it doesn't work. We're gonna go do this. Select the edge and G, or move it like that to make it easier. There you go. Now there's a body. Now it's a little bit small. I want to make it big because it's animatronic. It's gonna be chubby. We want to make this like an actual animatronic, so we want to shape it out. You can shape your animatronic body as much as you want, okay? You can do whatever you want under the body shape. Now, we want a little pad, another belly thing, the body thing, which is another layer. So Shift D on the edit mode, S to scale it down. Now make it like this, and place it right here. I don't know what this thing called, okay? But you guys can add this if you want to, or you don't. That is okay. And there you go. Now he has a body. Let me slow down. There you go. Now he has a body. Now we want a little endo showing. Now we need a cylinder. Okay, no. We want to make this 1, and then cylinder. There you go. R and Y, hold control to snap rotating, and then resize it like this. No, there you go. Small it out and place it right here. Keep resizing until you get it. There you go. Now there's a little endo showing. There you go. Now that is perfect. Now we're just gonna smooth it out. Now the endo handle is a little bit weird. Now to do that, make it like this. There you go. Now it's better. Now it's less laggy as well. Now let's gonna make the arms. It's easy. Make a cube. Subdivide. Control R, loop cut. Scroll to add more. We need like 2. There you go. Now size it like this. Subdivide it. There you go. Now adjust it up. And then it still selects the edge, so we're just gonna slide it like this. And that is better. Now we're just gonna duplicate it. There you go. Make it unique. We gotta small this a little bit. So when we rotate it by selecting it to measure it up. I think that's a good size. We need just gonna adjust it a little bit more. There. Now it's good now. It's good. Yeah. Now we're gonna make a little shoulder pad thingies. I don't know what is it called. The little circles on their arms. like that. There you go. You can add this again if you want. If you don't, that's fine. Just shift D and then make it like this. And that's completely good. We're just gonna move it like that. Now we're gonna make the hands. All you have to do is just duplicate this. And while you're in edit mode, select the object by pressing A. And rotate it on the Z axis by pressing Z. And control to snap rotating and make it like this. Rotate it like that. And we're gonna resize it. We make sure it's not thick. There you go. And move it right here. I think that's perfect. Now to make the fingers, it's easy. There's a shortcut here. Now we want to select this and shift D and make it small to make the fingers easy as that. Now we're just gonna adjust this down. There. Now you can put your fingers in there. There you go. Just shift D and then rotate it this way. There you go. Now we made the arms. Looks good. Now we want to make the legs. So we want to duplicate this. Place it right here to make his torso. Now there's a face right here. There you go. Extrude it by pressing E. And we want to make this down. And we want to select the edge. There you go. Place it right there. And then we're gonna small this out. This part. And extrude it out like this. There you go. It's perfect. Oh boy, he sure is thick. Now we want to duplicate this. There you go. Place it like that, okay? Now we want to rotate it into 90 degrees. So let's go edit mode. And control R and then Y to rotate it like this and control. There you go. Dang. We want to make it straight. There you go. Now just duplicate it normally and just adjust it up as always. There you go. Now you have legs. I want to make it a little bit bigger. There you go. And it's not lining up. There. Now it's complete better. Yeah. Now we want to make another cube. Place it on his feet because this is where the part we're gonna make his feet. There you go. And put it right here. Now execute it and size it like this. Put it like that and loop cut right here. There. We're gonna size this down. And then subdivide it. Now it's a little bit wonky because we're gonna loop cut on this side and then there you go. We're almost there. There you go. Now we want to make another cube on the edit mode with also subdivided. Gonna extrude in 2 loop cuts and then loop cut right here. There you go. Place it on his feet to make his little toes. Dirty toes. Now duplicate it like this and this middle is not lined up so we want to move it. There you go. Now he has his feet. Smooth it out. And now he has feet. Now we're just gonna duplicate this. Select all of it. If you want to select all of it, like this, when I'm doing this, by pressing B and then click and drag what kind of object you want to select. Now we're gonna do the same thing but to duplicate. Now we want the 3D cursor location into 0 and control and I mean shift and then D to duplicate it. Now right click to place on the same position, control M and then X. Now it's fully duplicated. There you go. I mean, yeah, that's it. All you have to do is just gotta color them out, and you can do it normally. I'm not gonna do it for this video because you already know how to put like a material. It's easy by going this material tab, go here for existing materials, and just put it normally as it is, okay? And that's it. That's for how do you make the body and then the arms and the legs. Easy enough. Now, in the next episode, we're gonna do rigging. The rigging means is we're gonna put some armature. We're gonna put some rigs, like a little bones, to actually control your model. And that's gonna for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn my tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.